Hi, Paddy here from X-Fleet in Colne. Here is our Range Rover Sport. It's a 5 litre V8 SVR. It's in Corris grey with 22-inch gloss black alloys. The vehicle's done 27,850 miles and it's in showroom condition. It'll be supplied with full manufacturer service history, and you'll also receive the balance of the manufacturer's warranty, which expires in August 21. We offer a full range of finance products, including personal contract purchase, hire purchase, lease purchase or cash sale. In a moment we'll take a closer look. Here we are. The vehicle is in magnificent condition, very well looked after. As you can see, the alloys are spotless, like brand new, and the bodywork is as well. The car is fit with privacy glass and carbon fibre exterior pack. We've also got reversing sensors there. Alloys again in fantastic condition with the red calipers. The carbon pack is wing mirrors and it does include the bonnet as well. Let's take a closer look. I don't think you'll find a higher calibre Range Rover SVR online today. The specification includes panoramic sunroof, deployable side steps, interior carbon pack, dual climate control with heated seats and sockets. It does have soft closing doors on this vehicle. The extra specification inside includes heads-up display. We have wade sensing, which means you can go through water. We've got park assist pack, which is 360-degree cameras all around the vehicle. And we've also got the fridge. I hope you liked the video, and I hope it gave you a better insight into the vehicle. See you soon.